Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Traveling to South Korea with a Wise card offers a generally cost-effective and flexible way to manage your South Korean won, that is KRW expenses. The card operates using the mid-market exchange rate, which is typically the fairest rate available, and applies a low, transparent conversion fee starting from a small percentage if you need convert currency as you spend. A major benefit is that there are no additional foreign transaction fees just for using your card abroad, a significant saving compared to many traditional bank cards. Regarding cash withdrawals, the Wise card provides a free allowance worldwide each month. This typically includes 2 free withdrawals up to a specified total amount, which is often equivalent to around 200 GBP or a similar figure in other currencies. After exceeding either the withdrawal count or the total free amount, a small fixed fee per withdrawal plus a percentage of the excess amount applies. It is important to check the specific limits based on your country of residence as they can vary. When seeking an ATM in South Korea, look for Global ATM or Global Services signs which indicate that the machine accepts foreign cards. Major Korean banks like Woori Bank, KB Bank, or KEB Hana Bank, and Shin Han Bank, as well as convenience stores like CEO, GS25, and 7-Eleven, often have these compatible ATMs. However, you should be aware that the local ATM operator may impose their own fee, regardless of Wise own fee structure. Anecdotal evidence suggests that the fee can range from a small amount of KRW upwards, and sometimes bank like Citibank, if you have an account with their global network, or certain local banks might offer lower or no local ATM fees. A good tip is to choose to withdraw in KRW on the ATM screen, not your home currency, to avoid poor dynamic currency conversions, that is DCC rates. For general spending, your Wise card is widely accepted at most shops, restaurants, and hotels in South Korea, as card and contactless payments are very common. Your daily and monthly spending limits for the Wise card are set by default but can be viewed and adjusted within the Wise app or website under your card settings, allowing you to increase them up to the maximum amount account limits if needed. If you choose to load KRW onto your Wise account for your trip, all purchases and withdrawals up to that balance will be entirely free of the Wise conversion fee, only incurring the KRW cash withdrawal fees if applicable. You should consider loading a sufficient amount of KRW in advance if you want to lock in an exchange rate if you are happy with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.